It is an effort to eliminate all property and income taxes in Nebraska. And now the push to replace those with a consumption tax is gaining some steam, especially in urban areas.
EPIC, or Eliminate All Property, Income, Inheritance, and Corporate Taxes, they hired a national firm to pay petition circulators. They need to get 123,000 signatures in place to place those two measures on the 2024 ballot. KETV News Watch 7's Andrew Ozaki spoke with folks on both sides of the issue.
Signs are up and backers of a petition drive to replace all taxes with a sales tax on all new goods and services are ready to start concentrating on cities like Lincoln and Omaha.
I'm confident we're going to get it on the ballot, and I know that if we get on the ballot, it'll pass.
And now their push includes a national firm hiring paid circulators to get the word out about the petition. State Senator Steve Erdman says he's seeing more support from urban homeowners as their valuations soar.
Rural people have been on this page for a long time, but the urban people are catching up.
The two petitions would change the Constitution. One eliminates all property, income, and inheritance taxes. The other allows the legislature to impose a consumption tax on all services and new goods, with the exception of grocery items. Erdman believes it would be about 7.5%.
It's going to be an economic advantage to low-income people, especially if you're on the lower income level and you own property. People want to move here instead of leave here.
Both the Platt Institute and Open Sky, think tanks that usually differ on tax policy, agree the consumption tax is too risky.
The type of tax rate that we would be looking at is something more along the order of about 22%.
It's going to lead to border bleed, make us regionally uncompetitive. Secondly, is that we lose that local control that we have to fund our local schools and our cities and our counties.
This year, lawmakers approved $2.3 billion in tax relief, including a 5% cut in property taxes. In a statement, Governor Jim Pillen says additional efforts will be in full force next session. Erdman says Nebraskans are tired of waiting.
People are fed up with their taxes. People are beginning to understand they have to take control of their own lives and make some decisions for themselves and get involved.
Andrew Ozaki, KETV, News Watch 7.